Hello folks, as you can see in this video I am showing this beautiful and so nutritious sprout salad. So let's get started. Welcome on my channel Simply Suman. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of black gram or kala chana sprouts and I am soaking it in hot water for 10 minutes just to make them little softer. You can avoid this if you want to have it raw, you can have it too, but I like it in this way, so I soak them in hot water for 10 minutes. So I am adding little bit of salt in it, so that we can get the little flavor of salt in it. As we all know, sprouts are so healthy. They're good for digestion, they are high in fiber, and it can be used as breakfast or a evening snack or maybe anytime hunger. So after 10 minutes, drain all the water and let it cool down completely before adding our other ingredients. So I am transferring it into another bowl. These are my homegrown sprouts. I made it at home, and the chana or the black gram is also from our very own farms. So I'm adding 1/4 cup of chopped onions and 1/4 cup chopped tomatoes, cucumber. The quantities and the different kind of veggies or fruits you can change accordingly. I'm adding 1/4 cup of chopped mangoes also, because I like my salad to be a little bit tangy and little sweet at the same time. I'm adding 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, mango, pomegranate, and these are all superfoods. This is going to be a blast in your mouth, punch of flavors. So I'm presenting it in a very unique and a different dressing, which I'm sure you're definitely going to love the dressing. So I have taken a bowl and added 2 tsp of honey and 2 tsp of extra virgin olive oil, 2 spoons or maybe 2 tsp. In olive oil and honey I am going to add 1 lemon's juice and adding little spices in it to make it more flavorful. Honey is also very good for health, and extra virgin olive oil is again super healthy. So I am adding now 1/4 tsp of crushed black pepper and 1/4 tsp of black salt. Black pepper also is an antioxidant and anti-aging properties it has. I am adding salt. Add salt according as per your taste. So adding 1 lemon's juice in it to give it a tangy flavor, to cut the sweetness of honey. I'm adding lemon, it gives a tangy flavor also to our salad and making it even more tastier. So our dressing is ready. I am going to pour it on a prepared salad. So this is super healthy salad. You can have it anytime. You can have it at breakfast, lunch, dinner, or maybe evening snack. Now I am adding 1 tsp of chaat masala also to make it even more tastier. Mix lightly so that the texture of the veggies and sprouts remain as it is. Now I am adding a little bit of mint leaves. I am just tearing it. I am not chopping them, tearing with my hands and just adding it. I like it this way. So again toss it to mix all the flavors. Mix all the flavors, and now our power packed, super nutritious, so healthy, immunity booster salad is ready. Now transfer it into a bowl, in a serving bowl. You can have it guilt-free because we have not added any kind of sugar or preservatives or any kind of that preservatives. So I am adding a little bit of dressing over it, so give it a more flavor. And now I am adding another immunity booster. I am adding mixed seeds. These are roasted ones. Right now I am having chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin, sunflower and melon seeds. You can, if you like it, you can have it. If you doesn't like these, you can avoid it. This is totally optional, but these are super healthy, so I'm going to add these. And now I'm garnishing our salad with mint leaves to make it a nice refreshing look. So our salad is ready. Enjoy your salad. And what else recipes would you like me to share? Comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.